Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into two popular dash cams, the REDTIGER F7NP and the Baisu 3-channel 2.5K. Today, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money. Whether you're looking for superior video quality or a budget-friendly option with multiple cameras, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The REDTIGER F7NP offers a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera, providing exceptional clarity and detail, especially during nighttime recordings. In contrast, the Baisu 3-channel dash cam features a 2.5K resolution for the front camera, which, while still good, does not match the sharpness of the REDTIGER. Both models provide 1080p resolution for the rear camera, ensuring clear footage from behind. The REDTIGER F7NP comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing for easy access to footage and precise location tracking. This is a significant advantage for users who want to review their journeys. On the other hand, the Baisu 3-channel dash cam lacks these features, relying solely on a G sensor for impact detection, which may not be sufficient for those looking for comprehensive functionality. When it comes to pricing, the REDTIGER F7NP is priced at $198, reflecting its advanced features and superior video quality. In contrast, the Baisu 3-channel dash cam is a budget-friendly option at just $79, making it an attractive choice for those who need multiple camera angles without breaking the bank. However, potential buyers should weigh the benefits of higher quality against the cost. In conclusion, both dash cams have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize video quality and advanced features, the REDTIGER F7NP is the clear winner. However, if you are looking for a cost-effective solution with multiple camera angles, the Baisu 3-channel dash cam is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.